Hello, good evening, come in. Another review video on Palomar 250. Got this thing working and had to pull the board out of it. It was jacked up in the key circuit. We got it working. I'll start to hammer doubts. Alright, we're looking straight through SWR. Well. We go over here, we're gonna start up. We'll go on low power. Reflect. Worldwide, get on down, get on down. 1000 watt slug, low power. Wait a minute, keyed up, input that thing on low. 1000 watt slug, worldwide. So we're getting about, let's see here, hello, audio, worldwide. Get on down, cheeseburger. She's doing just a shade over 200 right there. Make sure she's on low. She is, according to the thing, on medium. Worldwide, there's a little more. Worldwide, she's pretty hot. Worldwide, there's your output coming, your input there. Worldwide, get on down, cheeseburger. 290, it's going high. High power, 1000 watt slug. Worldwide, so she does 300 about on high. Worldwide. We can check this meter just to see if it matches. Worldwide, go down here, a little tighter. Oh, meter right there always sounds a little bit tighter, especially on small stuff. Did you say she's queuing up? She wouldn't do that before. Seems like the preamp's working. And since she's done a real expensive amp, but I think we got her up and running for you. I wanted to get her going while we was at it, fixing stuff. Worldwide, get on down, cheeseburger, get on down, cheeseburger. There she is, little Palomar 250, up and going. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your friend Tim's here when they do, so catch you later.